Guys, welcome back to our today tutorial. So check what our test button do. So click on the test button. You will notice that there are test styles that burst up there. There are many test styles that burst up there. So if you look at the down below, you will see where it wrote more titles. Just click on that more titles to see more titles and make the titles big so that you can see exactly how the title looks before you cannot make use of it. So click on that more title. You have to allow it to load. Okay, I believe this is working with network, and I think my network is bad at the moment. So but just click on it and every title will burst up. So from there now you can add your title to your test. So let me say I click on this one and boom, it have added title to our video. So if I click on it and click on the program monitor, then click on the title on the program monitor, then I can write anything I want. You see it, I have added title to our video. So just click on the end of the title or at the beginning to make the end of or the length of where you want or how long you want the title to stay. So it all depends on how long you want the title to stay. So we are going to be looking in everything concerning title in the future time. So let's look at the transitions. So I have clicked on the transitions, and from here you will see that clicking on this cross dissolve, you will notice that it have added transitions to our text. So if you drag closely to those transitions, you will see that our text is fading in. So are you seeing them? Are you seeing it? So click drag, you see that the text is fading out. So there are many transitions there. So from here is the duration of the transitions. So let's look at let's delete this. So click and hold on any clip you want to remove or delete. Just click and hold, then delete button will come up or duplicate button will come up, then click on whichever one you want to delete it, or you just scroll down to the end of the buttons down here, then select any one you want to delete. As we have selected the text, just click on the delete sign there, boom, it will delete. So let's look at the color there. So color, what this means is to change the color of your video, like color correction. So if you look here, we have so many colors here that you can use to make your video look beautiful and cinematic. So if I click on this one, this cinematic, you will see that our video have changed theme, Click on this, you notice that our video is changing. Click on these ones. You can use these ones to do black and white video or to turn a video into black and white. Click on this one, you will see that our video have changed colors. So this is what the color does. So from here you can check the intensity of how you want it to be exposed. You will check on how exposed you want the color to be. The contrast, you will click on the contrast to drag and check how the contrast will look. Highlight, check on how you wanted to highlight it. But all these things just depends on you. Shadows, check on how you want it to look. Tempo, check on how you want it to look. So it all depends on you, both things, saturations and so many of them. So in case you don't want any of those things, just click on reset, or you click on turn off. It will turn everything off. So more options is where you can, after you have done setting all these things, you create a preset. So you can name it and save it, and it will become a preset for you. So anytime you want to automatically, you click on your preset and it will be added to your video. So the next one here is speed. Click on speed. This will now determine how speed you want the thing to be. So click on the blue buttons there. Click on the blue buttons there and drag it to the amount you want. So let's say we play it now. So this is the slow, this is the fast of it. So click and drag it, and I believe it have to be on fast over here. So if you notice, by the entering it fastered a little bit. So that's just it. So from here now you can select range, then select speed, ramp. You want it to continuously repeating and so on. So if you think you don't like it, just click on reset. It will reset everything to normal. So the other button down here is your audio button. So click on audio button. Here you will from here control the audio on any clip. So click on mute to mute the audio of this video playing right now. So if I open it and click on it, you can hear the sound. So type of music, click on type of music, voice or other voice. It will now change it to voice, then other. It will now change it to others. So click on the clip volume 50% to increase or reduce the volume of your clip. So after that, you don't like what you just did, just click on reset and everything will automatically reset back. Then the next one is transform. So what does this transform means is where you can transform your video by moving them one after the other, the opacity to scale it, the rotations and everything. So let's look at the position first. Click on the position and click on our video. You will see that by clicking these things and moving our video, out of frame. This depends on how I want it to look like. So the second one there is position by V, so click on it. So I'm dragging it up and down depending on how I want it to be. So rotation, I rotate the video, as you can see, clicking it and dragging it by the side, we now rotate the video. This depends on what I want it to look like. Then opacity, to what opacity to mean, how amount of view or intensity I want the clip to be. So click and drag to your choice. Then the next one there is scale. Unlock the scale, then lock the scale. So if you unlock the scale, it means you want to adjust it by 1 and 1, like adjusting the scale manually on your own. But if you lock it and click on the scale width, so you see that you can increase the scale automatically, both the side and up. So if you click on unlock and click on scale wide, you will see how it's turning it as if it's folding the video. The same thing happened on scale height. You will see that it's trying to fold it as well. So it just depends on exactly of what you want to achieve. So crop top means you will crop the video from top. Then crop bottom means you are cropping the video from the bottom. Then crop left, you notice is cropping from the left. Then crop right is cropping it from the right. Then edge fade, you can determine the edge fade. Maybe you are not seeing it here, but it's really working. Maybe you want to fade edge. Let me use a clip that will show you what the edge does. So let me say position, then edge fade. I have cropped the, so you see how it's fading the edge. So guys, this is how the text button work, the transition, color speed, audio and transform button works. So guys, let me know what you think about this tutorial. Let me know your answer, your problem in the comment box below, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.